My hair loss started, it's actually a funny story. I fell asleep at the Wonderland water park for over an hour and a half. I woke up, I was covered in blisters on my forehead, totally burnt head to toe. The next day, my hair started falling out after I started washing my hair. It was very painful. Had to go to the doctor, get special eye drops. Hair didn't grow back properly ever since. It was very thin, bald patches everywhere, and I had thick hair. Like it was first person in my family to go bald. My name is Vince, and I just came to Toupee Hairpieces to get my maintenance done. I wish I would have known about this sooner. The advices that I got was, actually from my friend Ricky, was that he went to Turkey, spent over $20,000 to get his hair done. First year was very painful for him. Month off work, not work, so losing money right there. Took over a year just to actually start growing hair back. The third year, he said, is like he starts showing notice that it was going bald again. Fourth year, so he basically threw away over 20K, you know. But the advice that I wish I would have got was, you know what, Vince, there's hair pieces, you know, and they looked absolutely natural. I would have jumped on that boat right away. I was expecting to be myself again, you know, and once I got it done, I was happy. I was not depressed. I was confident. I don't actually worry about what people think, you know. I did at first, you know, oh, what people were gonna say, that they'd find out it's not real. But now it's like, you know, I don't even care. I love it, and I feel great, like having it. And people should consider getting it if you have hair loss and you feel depressed, you know, because you're worried about your hair falling out even more. I'd suggest go get it done. Just try it. My first hair piece was from a different supplier. It was a good piece, but I found the durability wasn't very good. It changed color, didn't look natural after a few months. Bumped into, what's his name off, the guy with the mustache? Rick, I seen him. And so his actually looks really nice, you know? So I'm like, you know, Toupee hair pieces. And you know, try their hair, and yeah, I just love it so far. It feels more natural. It's like night and day. Swimming is great. It's natural. I actually I have a hot tub at home, so I'm always in there and never an issue. The only thing I recommend is if you go swimming, just to make sure you wash your hair after you do go swimming with the chlorine. If a lot more men came forward, more being in the public would be like, I would have known about this a lot sooner and I could have got it done. I was losing my hair back in the day, and if I would have known about it sooner, I would have got it done. I wouldn't be worried about how much hair is falling out every day and trying to hide it, or, you know, the comb over. If more people come out about it, more people will be more confident, and, you know, it'd become more natural.